Hello students, I hope you are doing very well. In this series we are going to start a new subject, data structure. This subject is for particular for computer engineering group. The branches covered in this subject is CO, CM, IF and CW. This subject is for semester 3rd. The complete name of the subject is data structure using C. The course code of the subject is 22317. The rationale behind this subject is after learning this subject, student will be able to identify the problem. The student will be able to identify the problem. They will be able to analyze different algorithms to solve the particular problem. Like for example, a particular program may be solved by using stag, or it may be solved by using queue. Sometimes you need to use a tree and you need to use a graph. So after completion of this subject, you will be able to understand how to identify the problem and analyze different algorithms which I have just mentioned now, and how to use it. Then competency. After completion of this subject, the student should be able to implement relevant algorithm. The algorithm which I have just discussed, the relevant particular algorithm you should be able to implement using data structure. Then course outcomes. Total five course outcomes are there. First is the student should be able to perform basic operations on array, and second is apply different searching and sorting techniques. Third one is implement basic operations on stack and queue using array representation. So this particular thing is new for you, you have not learned in C language. And fourth one is linked list. Linked list is also a new for you, so you should be able to implement basic operations on linked list. And last is implement program to create and traverse the tree to solve the problem. So after completion of this course, you should be able to perform all these things. After that, we will see teaching and examination scheme. L means lecture. Total 3 lecture will be there in a particular week. T means tutorial. There will be no tutorial for this subject. And P means practical. There will be 2 hours practical for a particular week. Means in a week there will be only one practical for one batch. Then forget about this credit. Then paper. The paper will be of 3 hours of 70 marks, and out of this 70 marks minimum you have to take 28 marks. Okay. Then pa means practical assessment. Practical assessment is for 30 marks. That is, this 70 and 30 will be total 100 marks. Out of this 30, board says minimum is 0, but I recommend out of this 30 marks you should get 12 marks, because this 12 marks and this 28 will be total 40. That is the minimum passing marks. Okay. Then how you can get 12 marks from this minimum 30? That is, 10 marks are for your micro project, and remaining 20 marks are for your two sessional test. That is average of two sessional test. Then as far as practical is concerned, 25 mark hash means external practical is there, and minimum 10 mark you have to get. And pa, that is your term work based on your manuals and all that, is of 25 marks. So total 25 plus 25 will be 50 marks, and minimum 50 you have to take 20 marks. Okay. Then moving further, we should see now practicals. Total in this subject 16 practicals are there. Okay, easy practicals are there, so you don't worry about that. We will cover in this video lecture all the practicals. Then we will see the total chapters. Okay, total chapters in this particular subject are 5. Out of this, the first chapter is introduction to data structure, which teaches us about concept of data structure, abstract data type, types of data structure like linear and non-linear data structure. Then we are going to see about algorithm. Then we are going to see about operations on data structure. Then in chapter number 2, we will see searching and sorting. Searching and sorting, there are two kinds of methods of searching, like linear search and binary search. And as far as sorting is concerned, there are total 5 techniques are there. Out of these 5 techniques, first is bubble sort, second is selection sort, third is insertion, fourth is quick sort, fifth one is radix sort. All these are techniques for sorting a particular array. Sorting means arranging a particular set of numbers in a particular ascending or descending order. These are very easy and interesting topic, and out of first 3 chapters you will get minimum 28 marks that you need to secure from 70 marks. Okay, now moving forward towards third chapter says about stag and queue. This is a new concept for you. Stag and queue are particularly interesting topics, we will see in detail. After that, linked list. Linked list also a new topic for you. Linked list is also interesting topic, we will see in detail about linked list. And after that, the last chapter says about trees and graphs. It is a non-linear data structure, and it is particularly in this chapter we will see about degree of tree terminologies basically, and graph terminologies, and that is only in this chapter. And we will see about expression tree and all. We will discuss in detail in a particular topic, and we will have a particular video for that. And last point I want to discuss is about total marks allotted for particular chapter. For first chapter there are 6 marks, second 12 marks, third one is for 20, third one is having the highest marks, fourth chapter is for 16 marks, fifth chapter is for again 16 marks. So total five chapters there are 70 marks, and out of these 70 marks you have to get 28 marks minimum. Okay, okay students, we will see in detail all these topics in coming videos. So meanwhile, you like, share and subscribe my video.